Hey, are you ready for math? I'm ready for math. Math is so much fun. Let's start with calendar. We are still in August, and my calendar has only a half day for the 31st because there was not enough space on here. Usually these two would be down here and there would be more space. They would have a whole square. So we are on 31, and today is Monday. And we already said it was August, and so number here is 31. So we say 31st, and the year is 2020. So let's say that together. Today is Monday, August 31st, 2020. Wow. We are already in our third week of school and our second week of online school. You guys can do this. We are doing a great job. So we are ready for math again. And I want you to find your 100 chart and I want you to turn it over so you're on the blank side. And then after you found that, pause the video anytime you need to. You want to get out 5 bears and you need all 4 colors that you have. So you need one of each of those colors and one twice. It doesn't matter which one. And then you'll also need 5 pattern blocks, and you want either hexagons that are yellow, red trapezoids, or blue parallelograms because they're bigger, okay? And then, so you're going to probably want to pause your video so you can get all those things. And then I am going to set them up, and I am going to have it going on there so you can see, and then you can set yours up something like mine. You want all of your pattern blocks on one side in a row, and then all of your bears on the other side in a row. So pause your video anytime you need to and get these all set up, and then when you're ready, you're going to count with me. We're going to count all the bears and make sure we have 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you point to touch one bear with each number? Try it again. Let's start at the top again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing with the pattern blocks. You want to touch it and say a number. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have too many, you want to put them back in your bag. If you don't have enough, you want to get as many more as you need so that you have 5 of each. When you have 5 of each, then we get to practice. We're going to slide them across, slide the bears across, and see if there are enough pattern blocks for us to pretend that these are chairs, so each bear has a chair. Let's check it out. Are you ready? We're going to slide them across. 1, 2. If I'm going too fast for you, make sure you pause the video and do that. And then we're on number 3. Ready? 3. So far, so good. Ready? 4 and 5. Each bear has a chair. This is so cool. So let's count them again. You're going to point with your finger. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. We are going to slide the bears across one more time and not on the chair. So we're going to get them to the other side again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And time for the chair thing again. Ready? Slide them across again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you think the bears are at school, or maybe they're someplace to eat? Maybe they are downstairs in the lunchroom ready to eat. Maybe they are, maybe they're at the movie theater. I wonder if the movie theater's open. Um, Maybe they're out on somebody's lawn in lawn chairs. That would be perfect too. So now you have your bears and they all have a chair. Next thing you're going to do is take all the bears and you're going to put all the bears away first. Mine don't have a separate bag, but yours do. So you're going to put them in the bear with the bag, or the bag with the bears. I am just going to put mine in my big bag. And you want to put the pattern blocks in the bag. And then it is time for the worksheet. So, how was that? Did you like it? That's good, because I had fun doing that with the bears. Now, what you need to find is the lesson sheet that looks like this. And I am going to do this with you because I don't have the right, I only have black markers. And so I can't draw on there like I would draw on the whiteboard, okay? So I didn't bring all those home. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to turn this over so that I can write on there. There we go. Now, what you want to do first is put your name on here. So you need a pencil, and you're going to put your name on there. And my pencil is not lost. That's a good thing. Okay, so I'm going to write Mrs. Epley on here, and you are going to write your name on yours. Try to write it how you're supposed to write it in the morning, with one capital letter at the beginning, and then the rest are small letters. So Mrs. and then Epley. Now, it says color the teddy bears red, blue, yellow, and green. Sorry, my easel is falling. But at least my daughter is an artist, and so we have an easel at home. Thanks, Renata. Okay, so what you want to do next is color them all. And I still haven't been able to go back to school, so I don't have red crayons. So I'm going to use a red colored pencil. You may use a colored pencil, or you may use a crayon. Do not use a marker, because a marker will bleed through to the other side. So you need red, green, blue, and yellow. Color each bear one of those colors. Okay, so I'm going to start with red. And do you notice it's taking me a little while because I want to do a nice job? So you want to color in the bear. So this one is red, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause my video and I'm going to color them all, each one color. So it doesn't matter which bear is which color, okay? So, but you do need red, green, yellow, and blue, okay? So while I'm coloring mine, you're going to pause your video too, because the video will keep going when you come back, okay? Hi, I'm back. Are you back? Are you ready? Do you have them each a different color? I have red, yellow, green, blue. It doesn't matter if yours are in a different order for color, as long as there's one of each color. Okay, now I'm going to start at the top, and I have a red one. Oh, let's count them first too. It says count the teddy bears. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 bears. Now we want to draw a line to match each bear to a chair. You can go straight across, but you don't have to. So I'm going to draw a line down a little bit. Okay, with my red colored pencil, and you could use your red crayon, and then you're going to color that chair the same color. So I'm coloring this chair. So the red bear gets a, what color chair? You're right, red chair. So he has a red chair. Then, what color do I have next? Did you say yellow? I have yellow next. If you have yellow next, you can do yellow next too. Whatever color you have next, you want to use that color crayon or colored pencil, and you can draw a line to a chair. So your line needs to start on the bear and end on the chair. And so now I went down here, and I am going to try to stay in those little lines with my crayon. That's a little trickier. With that colored pencil, it was pretty easy. There we go. So now I have a red chair and a yellow chair. What color do I have next? I have green. What color do you have next? So you are going to use the color that is the color of your bear. So my bear is green. I am going to make him go up here. But yours can go to any chair. Each bear needs his own chair. And what color do I color that chair? Did you say green? You are right. I need mine green. And my last bear is what color? Did you say blue? Perfect. And you are going to draw a line to your last chair with your bear, and mine goes straight across this time. So I'm coloring that chair blue. Ooh, went a little out of line there. There we go. Okay, so do you notice that each bear has a matching chair? Let's count the chairs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bears, 4 chairs. They all have a chair. How nice! Isn't that cool? So your bears should match your chairs also, and you can make sure each bear has 1 chair. So 1 bear, 1 chair. We call that 1-to-1 correspondence. Can you say that with me? 1-to-1 correspondence. When you're done with this side, and yours should look something like that, then you're going to turn it over to the other side. We're on the number 7 already. So I want you to skywrite with me. We're going to start here, and it's slide to the right and then slant down. Ready? Slide to the right and then slant down. Slide to the right and then slant down. Slide to the right and then slant down. That's how we write the number 7. Now you're going to do it right on the paper. You're going to start at the dot with your finger and do it with me. Slide to the right and then slant down. Slide to the right and then slant down. Slide to the right and then slant down. That's how we write the number 7. Should we do it one more time? Just to be sure. We can do this. Ready? Slide to the right and then slant down. Slide to the right and then slant down. Slide to the right and then slant down. That's how we write the number 7. Perfect. Now you want to use 3 crayons, or the same crayon 3 times, and you want to trace so you're right inside that gray area. Remember, you're tracing, not coloring. Tracing is just drawing a straight line. I'm going to use my blue to show you. You are going to stay inside the gray. Go slow to medium and stay inside there, just like that. So you can either use your blue one again and again and again. So you use it 3 times, or you can use 3 different colors. So that's your job. Hope you enjoyed math for today.